Hello everyone, I'm here with Liz, and Liz has been a member for just over a year. Liz, how are you finding being a member of Smallwoods?
Being a member makes you feel a part of something rather than just as an individual. We bought our woods last March, and walking into 27 acres as new foresters, we were completely overwhelmed with what we wanted to do from a management point of view and for biodiversity and all of the other things that people want to do whilst also enjoying the woods. I was looking for insurance, public liability insurance, was Googling, and I discovered Smallwoods. Started to explore it and realised that the courses you offer and these days where you meet other like-minded people are throughout the country. And in the course of the year, I've attended a couple of courses up at the Greenwood Centre, where it was chilly, but we learned a lot about coppicing, and it was just working in groups of people, at which point you start to talk and you start to realise that the problems we're experiencing are the same as other people are doing.
So that knowledge exchange. And
absolutely, with people who want to learn and are not don't look at you and say this is the way it should be done. Everybody has ideas, and we sort of pull the ideas. Norbury Park Estate visit last year was phenomenal. Looking at pollarding, looking at creating standards of trees rather than just going along with the flow of what a woodland should be. And the general Joe public goes, oh, you've got an ancient woodland, you shouldn't touch it. And you realise, no, you should touch it. It needs management, it needs correct management. Today we're in Maryworth, which is, there's certain different soil types here, but a lot of it is sweet chestnut coppicing, which is what we are struggling with in our woodland, with ink disease, Phytophthora, and just working out, and overstood, wind thrown. We're all suffering from the 1987 storms. To meet the people here, there is a huge diversity of people. There's a large age range, and talking and walking and being shown by the owners of the property what they are doing and how they feel, or how well it's being managed. You can see, you can see how well it's being done. You don't actually need to be told. You can start to swap ideas there, and you realise, again, you're not alone. A lot of us are suffering with ink disease. A lot of us are suffering with overstood plantations. What we need to do is make Smallwoods almost like the GP. So this is what I'd love you to do. If you can become the manager of owners of smaller woodlands and try to help us all engage and a comment, I believe, was it you or somebody else was saying, if we can actually, if there's a group of us in a certain area that need coppicing, the sweet chestnut coppiced, if we can find somebody, the trades to sell to, and for those who can help us.
So a cooperative.
That's the word. It's
no,
far easier. that was taking me a lot to say for you to come up with cooperative. But that's what we're after. We are all... you can become very isolated in your own woodlands, enjoying it for what it is, but knowing that we need to do more. And Smallwoods is awesome. You have really helped us meet others with like-minded brigade of people. So
Liz, thank you very much. That was fantastic. Thank you.